Went to the park just the other week. I just wanted to listen to Edwin speak. He said, hey brother, if you want a batting tip, walk the Parrot. Walk the Parrot. That's how to play this game. Walk the Parrot. It'll give you fortune and fame. Walk the Parrot. That's what we like. Walk the Parrot. It's enough to make the fans leave their home. Guaranteed they won't leave you alone. Enough to make them wanna put you on a throne. It'll make them walk the Parrot. Live in the game and it's all on the line. You look fine. Walk the Parrot. Enough to make the fans leave their home. Guaranteed they won't leave you alone. Enough to make them wanna put you on a throne. It'll make them walk the Parrot. Ooh, how, yeah. Walk the Parrot. It's a mighty rip, follow with the bad flip. Walk the Parrot. Ow. Yeah, we're in the game now. Walk the Parrot. Walk the Parrot. Keep it up, yeah. Walk the Parrot. Keep it up now. Walk the Parrot. Walk the Parrot.